What's going on, guys? Eric from TheWiscoGuyz, and in today's video we are going to be installing some fog lights from Auxito. So definitely hop down below, you see the link to these fog lights, and see what we're using on my truck. So we're working on a 2000 Chevy Silverado, which I have outside, and as you can see, the fog lights are pretty dim, and we've already done low beams, high beams, so we got to get the fog lamps up to speed here. So as you can see on the wall, not very bright, pretty dim, so we're going to change that. So this is before, not very bright. Alrighty, let's get the truck in here and we're gonna change out the fog lamp bulbs and light it up with Auxito. Alrighty, so we have the bulbs here, and they are a 65K white 880, so hopefully these work. Hoping. So it looks pretty good in here. A little wire harness here plugs in, and nice O-ring there, and looks pretty long, so should fit in there nicely. Yeah, we're gonna try these out. It's aluminum construction, I think. I don't know if there's a fan in there or not, but it almost looks like it's twisting. Look at that craftsmanship there. All right, so let's get these in. So as you can see, we are behind on the driver's side fog lamp. We're going to untwist this to the left, pull this right out, and we're going to undo the bulb from the harness. So there's a little tab there, you got to pull up and out, and there goes that bulb. Set that off to the side. We're going to take our harness from our truck, and we're going to install it here. That should be good. So now we're going to take the bulb and we're going to install it back into the fog, just like we did when we went out. We're going to go in the same way. There we go. That's in. So let's see if it lights up. Oh yeah. It's lit. So there we go. Oh yeah, much brighter. You can already tell. Look at that. The old and the new. Perfect. Yeah, that's better. Cool. All right, I'm gonna do the other side real quick, and we'll go outside and we'll check it out. But yeah, this will work for like 99 to 02 Chevy Silverados, also the Tahoes as well too. Yeah, I mean, it'll probably work for a lot. I know the Tahoes will probably work. Then I believe the GMC's fog lamps should work for this too, but I'll double check that. But I'll put a link down below. Use code TheWiscoGuyz to get 15% off of your order throughout the whole store. At the end of when you go to checkout, there should be a thing there, like a discount code spot, so definitely put that in there, and should be good. So alrighty, so I got both sides in now. We're gonna go outside and take a look at it. Oh yeah, way brighter. You can just tell, like, just way brighter. So yeah, that's definitely gonna help out at night. So yep, way brighter. I'm liking that. So definitely hop down in the link below, go to auxito.com, get your bulbs today, use discount code TheWiscoGuyz to get 15% off your whole order, and yeah, get your truck or car lit up, because that's gonna be nice at night. So alrighty, let's get it back inside. Alrighty, so we got the fog lamps in, looking good, matches the matches the low beams and the high beams that we installed in the previous videos. If you haven't checked those out, there'll be a link below on those. But it's got this truck looking right. Definitely looks good, and it's going to perform good at night. So I'm excited to go down the road and enjoy that. So that's it for this video. Subscribe to the channel, hop over to Auxito, use the code TheWiscoGuyz, get yourself 15% off. So all right, thank you guys for watching. Have a good night or day, and see you in the next one. See ya. Bye.